Welcome to Fox Learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export data table to Excel file using closed XML and C#. After you finish creating the new window form project, you need to open your form designer and then drag button and data grid view controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your form designer. In this tutorial, I will use the Northwind database to play my demo. If you don't have the Northwind database in SQL Server yet, you can watch the previous video on how to download and install the Northwind database into SQL Server. After you finish designing the form, you need to add the binding source to your data grid view to help you retrieve employee data from the Northwind database. The binding source component is designed to simplify the process of binding controls to an underlying data source. The binding source component acts as the data source for some or all of the controls on the form. In Visual Studio, the binding source can be bound to a control by means of the Data Bindings property, which is accessible from the Properties window. You can bind the binding source component to both simple data sources, like a single property of an object or a basic collection like ArrayList, and complex data sources, like a database table. The binding source component acts as an intermediary that provides binding and currency management services. You need to install Excel Export Library from Nudget into your project. On the right side of the window, select your solution. Next, right-click and select Manage Nudget Packages, then search for Closed XML. This is a great Excel library, as you can see quite a large number of downloads. Closed XML is a .NET library for reading, manipulating and writing Excel 2007 files. It aims to provide an intuitive and user-friendly interface to dealing with the underlying OpenXML API. After you finish installing the Closed XML library, you need to rebuild your project, then double-click the Export button to add a Click Event Handler allows you to write data from data table to an Excel file. You can use the Save File dialog class to help you open a Save File dialog allows you to enter the file name. And don't forget to use try catch to catch errors if something goes wrong. Next, write your code in this try-catch block. You need to use Excel Workbook class to help you export data from data table to Excel file. We will read data from the employees table in the SQL Server database, and then display the data on the data grid view control. Next, use the Copy to Data Table method to help you copy the data into the data table, and then write data to an Excel file. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.